Yeah. We've all heard it before. October is a very good month for Bitcoin. But what a lot of people don't tell you are the numbers of why it's so bullish, all right? Now, I'm going to cover the last 9 years, okay? Because I can't cover this month because we're not finished yet. Anything can happen. Now, let's cover this. 2013, we were up 60.79%. 2014, with the first down month, with 12.95%. Yet 2015 up 33.5%, 2016 up 14.71%, 2017 up 47.81%. Keep in mind, guys, I'm just talking about October gains. 47%. Okay, 2018 was the second down month, and that is 3.83%. So hardly anything. 2019, we had 10.17%. 2020, we had 20.7%. 2021, we had 40%. 2022, 5.6%. And this month, anything can happen. And the reason why I'm so bullish still, because the month is not over with yet. So here's what we have to look forward to. As we heard yesterday from Grayscale, what happened with Grayscale and the SEC, seems like that might definitely pass, okay? But my view on this is that BlackRock is going to be the first one to be passed because they own the SEC. Now, why BlackRock? Well, they've applied for 576 ETFs. They've only been rejected once, and that was kind of a rejection because I think it did pass later on, and that is a 99.8% success rate. So this is why, guys, I have been telling everybody, especially our learningcrypto.com people, sign up below, that we've been buying, accumulating during this accumulation phase. We've already bottomed, okay? That the time to buy the bottom was back in November. Now's the time to accumulate, okay? And because as I've read off, it seems like there's some pretty bullish narratives coming out. Anyways, that's all I have. Please enjoy Amsterdam and like and subscribe. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.